Hi, this is me. I'm Sagan. I'm a digital illustrator. I've been living in the UK for 3 years now. I teach character design online, review portfolios, and I run an online shop where I sell my digital products and prints. Welcome to my cozy little studio. I spend like 7 to 8 hours every day here, painting, making tutorial videos, doing online classes, and running my small art business on YouTube, Patreon, and Instagram. Since I spend so much time here, I really need this space to be both motivating and super comfy. I wanted to be a place where I always feel inspired. So I decided it was time for some big changes. And today, I'm really excited to show you how I transformed my studio from this to this. Okay, so the biggest change is this desk. I'm moving it to the left side because my small desk just fits way better by the window. I actually spend most of the time at this desk. It's big, super comfy, and my tablet sits on it perfectly. The best part, I can adjust the height. So when I'm tired of sitting all day, I just make it higher and work standing up. And the small desk, that one is my painting desk. I don't really need my monitor when I paint, so it just makes sense to keep it separate. As you can see, I've got a lot of art supplies, from colored pencils to paint, paper, and ton of sketchbooks. People often think that digital artists don't use sketchbooks anymore, but that's just not true. I love using both digital and traditional materials. Color always gives me such a good vibe, and sketching in a sketchbook is really something special. I've been looking for a stand or a bookshelf for so long. Somewhere to put my plants and also to organize all my art materials. And believe it or not, after 3 months, I finally got this bookshelf. I don't know why I was so picky, but the wood color was super important to me. I wanted my room to have a bright and cozy vibe. I have all kinds of decorations around. Some are gifts, and others remind me of special moments in my life. For example, I bought this Lego Vespa motorcycle for my husband's birthday last year, and I just love it. Okay, so lighting is super important. It can totally change a room from cold and lifeless to warm and cozy. You know, here in the UK, the weather is almost always cloudy and rainy, which makes it hard to get good lighting for filming because there is no sunlight. At first, I thought I would spend a lot of money on fancy lighting equipment, but then I was like, why not just go with the rainy vibe? So instead of trying to fight it, I decided to make the space warmer and cozier with the lighting I already had. The first thing I got was this adorable Mario lamp. My husband picked it out and I instantly loved it. If you want one, I will share the link below. I also bought a few more lights to put around the studio so the whole space has a better vibe now. It's so crazy how lighting can change everything and make a room feel so much more inviting. You know, a cool studio is always full of frame, right? Most people buy frames and artworks from stores, but as an artist, I love hanging my own creation on the wall. It's always such an exciting feeling, so I printed and framed a few of my favorite pieces, and if you like them, you can get them from my Etsy shop. My studio is almost ready and everything is pretty much done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Tell me how you make your workspace cozy and inspiring. And if you got any prints from my Etsy shop, just let me know. See you in the next video. Bye!